Hi guys, good morning. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, the Explicit Tutorials. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do so in order to always get notified when I upload a new content. Okay. So in our previous class, we looked at the meaning of taxonomy, systematics, classification, and nomenclature. All right, and we concluded by looking at some binomial names in animals. Okay, I gave you about 30 uh, organisms, that is 13 names of animals, as well as their zoological name or scientific name. All right, so in this class we shall be considering binomial system of nomenclature in plants only. I told you that the father of binomial system of nomenclature is Carolus Linnaeus. He classified plants in year 1753. Okay, so we are going to jump into the topic fully. Please, as I start, just follow it step by step because you can't run away from it. So long you are a university student, you cannot run from it. You need it. All right. So let's get started. Binomial system of nomenclature in plants. The act of giving two names to plants. Two names, just two, only two names. Okay. Okay. Let me give you the one that I believe is common to you guys. Cocoa. All right. Cocoa. All right. Cocoa is through Brahma cacao. All right. I told you that the first letter is called the first name is called what? Generic name, and the second name is called the species name. The species name begins with a small letter, and the generic name begins with a capital letter. You must not underline the both of them together. Hope that is clear. Then number two, you have I believe this one is also clear. The carpet grass. Carpet grass, that is Azonopus compressors. I believe this is a common name. It's also common. All right. Three. Another one I also believe is common is the stubborn grass. Stubborn grass, and that is Cedar acuta. Cedar acuta. Okay. Cedar acuta is also a common plant. Then four. Of course, mango. Mango is also it's a common one. Mango is Mangifera indica. Very easy. Mangifera indica. Very easy. Very easy. Don't say the names are too big. Give it your time. Then orange. Yes, this is also common. Orange. That is Citrus sinensis. Alright. These are common ones. Even a pineapple. Pineapple. Or pineapple, as the case may be, we call it ananas comosus. Alright, ananas comosus. Alright, ananas comosus. Number seven. I want to bring you the common ones. Which one again? Okay, maize. These ones are also common. Maize. That is Z maize. Yeah, Z maize. Yeah. I think another common one is granules. These are common plants that you all know. Arachis hypogia. Arachis hypogia. These are common names now. These are common names, alright? So, cocoa, Triboma cacao, carpet grass, Azinopus compressor, stubborn grass, Cedar acuta, mango, Mangifera indica, orange, Citrus sinensis, pineapple, ananas comosus, maize, Z-maize, granite, arachis, hypogia. These are common names. They are very easy, okay? Very easy plants to name. Very easy. So the class has not ended yet. I'm also giving you more names. Okay. Number 9. This one is also common. Bitter leaf. Bitter leaf. All right. Bitter leaf is Venonia amygdalina. Venonia amygdalina. Venonia amygdalina. Okay. 10. Let me also give you this one. Very common plant. Water leaf. Alright, with a leaf we call it Talinium. Talinium triangulare. Alright, triangulare. These are common plants. 11. Very common. Which one should I bring in again? Okay, let us look at beans. Beans. Beans is very easy. Vigna unguiculata. Unguiculata. Vigna unguiculata. Very common names. Very common. And the cowpea. Common names. Cowpea is Phaseolus vulgaris. Phaseolus vulgaris. That is smaller than V. Vulgaris. 13. Let me bring in guava. It's called Psidium guava. Alright, Psidium guava. Then 14, plantain. These are common names now. These are common names. Musa paradisiaca. These are common names. Musa paradisiaca. Then 15, banana. These are common names. Banana. You have to be Musa sapientum. These are common names. These are common names. You know now. These are common names. 16. You have yam. Alright. There are different species of yam. We have okay, let me put it like this now. We have Dioscorea alata. We have Dioscorea cayennensis. Alright, we have Dioscorea alata, Dioscorea cayennensis, Dioscorea. We also have Dioscorea esculentum. We also have Dioscorea. What am I spelling? Dioscorea. Dioscorea bulbifera. So these are different species of yam. Dioscorea alata, Dioscorea cayennensis, Dioscorea esculentum, Dioscorea bulbifera. Okay, so these are common names now. These are common names, okay? These are common names. Don't feel they are too complex for you to understand. Okay? Then another one, which is number 17. Another common, yes, red mangrove. Red mangrove. These are common plants. Red mangrove. This one is not too common per se. Red mangrove is Rhizophora resmosa. Alright, so these are the botanical name of this plant, Rhizophora resmosa. Then you have the white mangrove. The white mangrove. White mangrove is Avicennia nitida. Alright, Avicennia nitida. Then 19, you have you have water lily. Water lily is called Canna indica. These are common names, very easy. Canna indica. Alright, so you also have water hyacinth. Water hyacinth. Alright, it's very easy. You call this one Pistia stratuotis. Alright, Pistia stratuotis. Yeah, which one again? 22, you have cassava. Cassava is Manihot utilissima. Manihot utilissima. Alright, Manihot utilissima. Then 23, we have tomato. Tomato, we call it Lycopassicum esculentum. Lycopassicum esculentum. Then 24. Let me conclude by giving you this okra. Okra is Abomaceous esculentum. All right, abomaceous esculentum. You must underline separately. So these are very easy, very easy names. Okay, very easy stuff. They are not. If you can give it like 20 minutes of your time, all of these things will sink into your brain. It's just that you guys don't like studying your books. You are so lazy to study your books. But when it comes to operating your phone for 24 hours, your eyes will never blink. You will never feel dizzy. But by the time you pick up your textbook or your note to read, a well wind, a gentle breeze will just come. You start falling as if you start dozing off as if your head want to pull off your body. All right, try to have that habit of studying your books. Try to be studious. All right, be a book lover. All right, so please, that is for that. We have come to the end of classifying animals binomially and classifying plants binomially. Okay, so take note of that. Now there's what we call hierarchical taxonomy. All right, hierarchical hierarchical taxonomy. Now this is the grouping of organisms based on hierarchy. This is the process of grouping living things based on hierarchy from the highest to the smallest. That is why you have it to be so this what I have here. All right, what I have here is hierarchical grouping or hierarchical classification of living what things. So I call it what hierarchical taxonomy. Now, kingdom when divided into smaller parts, you have phylum. Phylum is to animals, division is to plants. Take note of that. Class, order, family, species. Sometimes in higher levels, the so-called superspecies. After the superspecies, you now get to species. After the species, you now have the subspecies. But at this level, we are focusing on this of 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 in number. I tell that the first name is called generic name. The second name is called the species name. All right. If we were to classify man hierarchically, how would you do it? If you were told to classify man based on taxonomic hierarchy, how will you do it? It is very simple. Man is an animal. Take it or leave it. We are all animals, but we are not male, okay? But we are all animals. So, kingdom, animalia. Let me take it closer. Let me remove division now. Kingdom, animalia. Phylum, chordata. All right. Class, mammalia. Order, primates. You see that? Family, hominidae. All right. Please, in taxonomic grouping, the family name always ends as AE, hominidae. That is, I'm not saying that all animals have their family name to be hominidae. I'm talking of man. Man is hominidae. Genus is Homo. Then the species, you have to add Homo, then sapiens. All right, take note of that. What if we are told to classify lion? For example, lion is animalia. Of course, lion is an animal. Phylum chordata, it has chordate. That's chordata. Backbone. And the mammalia, yes. Lion is a mammal. Then order primate. No. it does not have its what's it called now? The order of lion is not primate. Because lion is a flesh-eating organism, you say it's carnivorous, right? So the order is carnivora. Carnivora, okay? Carnivora. Then the family is Felidae. The are Felix family. Then genus Panthera. Then the species we have Panthera leo. Alright, so this is how it is. Okay, so on the comment section, you know, I will always give you something to do. On the comment section, based on what I just did, I want you guys to classify me or house fly. Alright, house fly, and you also classify me chicken. Classify me house fly and chicken. At this point, to call it a day, if you know you have learned something in today's video, endeavor to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Do have a wonderful day.